Hi, today we are going to talk about one of the best features of functions in C++, that is the functions overloading. Because so far we said that two variable declaration, for example, cannot have the same name. We cannot say like integer a and then declare another variable like float b. But in function is quite different here. C++ allow us to write a function with the same name, provided that these two functions have either two different number of parameters or having even same number of parameters with two different data type. So to make things clear here, so far we wrote this one here, we wrote these functions, my functions now, and what the overloading allow us is, for example, to come here and write another new functions like this one here, but here instead of integer we pass double here, and now also here we come here and write pass here, change it to double, here, like 0 to make things clear. And now if we come now and write another results like result 1, and here we pass result 2. And now let us write now result 1 and 2, but here we pass like 10.0, 20.0, and here we write result 1 and result 2, sum of double here, and here sum of int. And now if you run our program, you can see that it's executing normally here, and here we have this result. We are having the same result. So that's what double is functions overloading is all about here. There's no complaint here, even though we have the same name, but they are having different data type. Stay tuned. Ciao.